Hi, Mr. Shreehari.
Hi, sir.
How are you?
Good, sir. All good. How are you?
Thank you, thanks. And just want to understand about you, Mr. Shreehari.
Yeah.
Which batch you had done your hotel management? Where you had done your hotel management?
All good. So I'm basically from Kerala,
Which part of Kerala?
Palakkad. Sir.
Oh,
so that's in the border. I took my degree from Coimbatore.
Coimbatore.
Yes,
Okay, which institution?
So that's Nehru Arts and Science College.
Nehru Arts and
Yes,
Science.
sir.
Very
so the
good.
batch is from 2020 to 2023.
Sir, 3-year.
Yes, sir. 3-year BSc in Hotel Management.
Okay.
So after that, I have done my training in Chennai. So that's in Mahabalipuram 4.5.
So done in 4 points.
Yes, sir.
Oh, very
so
good.
after that, I got placed there itself.
Very good. How many years of experience?
So I have worked 2 years in like Mahabalipuram 4.5 shelter.
Okay.
So apart from that, I do have 6 months other experience also.
See, what made you to, inspire you to apply or to get now job opportunity? What made you to think to get into cruise line industry?
So that, as I told you, it's from when I took the degree itself, cruise line was one of my dream. So I'm
very
just
good.
working to my dream.
Okay.
So and also the same work. If I work in cruise also, I'll get more exposures, like more connections. I can know more knowledge about
To
the
develop your network.
career. Yeah, career also will be developed.
Yeah.
Because of this knowledge about the foods and all.
Okay.
So I want to explore the world to gain some knowledge also.
Okay. Which department do you specialize?
So I'm in F&B service.
Service guys.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay. So, right. I think so. You have been here traveling for almost 10, 12 days.
Yes, sir.
Here. How is your experience actually?
That's very good experience. Even the accommodations, like the mentors which I got from here are one of the best. So the way of that they teaching us are very helpful.
Okay. How
Very
for
easy to learn.
Yeah, you are
Yes, sir.
getting some inputs, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. How far you're good in terms of cruise line operations? I think so. I had addressed.
Yes, yes.
a couple
On
of
that day we
classes.
just met on that day. So we got a class, which is one of the best class. That was good.
Okay.
We got the basic knowledge about the cruise ships, so types of cruises,
Okay.
and the knowledges about the hygienes, groomings, and all.
Operational
That was
standard.
Operation standards, which the USPH and all.
Yeah.
They are just mentoring us well, sir.
You're fine.
Yes, sir. Yeah,
As a
always.
senior person, it's good that you are telling that they're
That's very
giving a
helpful.
good
Yes,
service. Thank you, and thank you once again, Mr. Shreehari, for trusting us.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Thank you.